Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring the bell, and you'll be all set. All right, today we're going to be going through a product that I got from Sephora. This was, I was looking around because I ended up getting a $3 credit back from Sephora because when I watched a couple of channels, I think it was Life with Lois that mentioned that she only paid, when I showed the Hello bags, $10 for each bag. So I went back onto the website to double check, and now the Hello bags were both $10 each. When I went on at the beginning, you know, when it just launched, one was 10 and one was 13. So I contacted customer service through email, and they immediately rejected that, you know, it is what it is, and that was it. So I wrote back saying that I don't understand. If I returned the product within 60 days, I can get a full refund. Why wouldn't they just credit that $3 back to my credit card? When they wrote back, they said, of course, you know, they'll do the one-time exception, but you only have 7 days for any discrepancy in reference to pricing going up or down, mainly down, during on their website. So I want to make sure that everybody knows that Sephora, from right now, what I'm understanding is there's only a 7-day window from when you purchase something to when something is reduced on the website. So I wanted to make sure that you guys knew about that as well. So I had a $3 credit and I wanted to use it right away. So I went to the sales section, and of course I always look for the Sephora favorites. And the one that caught my eye was this one here. And I also went through my Rakuten. So again, I will leave that link down below because they still have that fantastic offer that if you use my link to sign up for Rakuten, then you'll get $30 and I will get $30 right away within that first check that you'll get within the 90 days. There's no membership to Rakuten. It's simply a company that when you go on, you choose the website of your choice, which for me, which was Sephora. They give a percentage back. At this time, Sephora was giving up to 10%. So it's a nice way to get extra money for doing what you normally would do is shop. You just have to go into Rakuten first and type in the name of the site that you want to go to. Everybody's on there. I mean, from Walgreens to Sephora to ULTA, they're all on there. So I wanted to make sure that you guys knew. I leave that link again. So if you want to use it, and thank you to everybody that's used it, and you mentioned already, I've been sharing this with you for over a month now, and more than 3 months now, I guess, because some of you wrote that you got your first check. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm really happy about that. All right. So I told you everything about the price change. This one was on sale. This Sephora kit was a $30 kit normally, and I saw it on sale for $21. And the shipping, of course, is free when you use that code free ship. That's still active. And plus I had my $3 credit. So all in all, with taxes and my credit, I ended up paying $20 for this whole kit. And I'm happy that that's all I spent. What intrigued me about this kit was there was a Pat McGrath lipstick in here that I looked at. And I've never owned a Pat McGrath lipstick, and those lipsticks run $36 every day of the week on their own. So the fact that there's a full-size Pat McGrath lipstick in this kit is what said to me, you know what, for $20, let's go. But when it arrived, everything else was so tiny. It makes you remember that this is what we used to be accustomed to with Sephora. When you pay $10 for a Hello bag, I understand. But I have to remember that there's that $36 Pat McGrath lipstick in here. So as I go through that, make sure that you remember that too. So this is the cute little card that it came with. The bag is adorable. It's really well made. This is what it looks like inside. It's just a beautiful bag, but it is tiny. All right. So so what it is, they're saying this is, and you know I always have my notes. So it says it has a set of 5 must-have lip balms and masks so you can find your new Holy Grail product for rich, hydrated, kiss-worthy lips. This is curated set of lip balms and masks that features 2 full-size products, it says, from Pat McGrath Labs and Sephora Collection. So there's a second full size in here, which I'll show you guys as well. All right, so let's get going. At the beginning, it starts with this little guy here, and this is from this brand called Ilya. And this is a lip wrap clean hydrating lip mask. This size is a 0.34 ounce, and the 10 ml, which would be the full size, is $26. This is an ultra hydrating leave-on mask that wraps your lips and active levels of skin soothing ingredients, leaving them feeling soft, supple, and revived. They're saying this is a balm and a treatment. And then they mention this product is gluten-free, cruelty-free, and comes in recycled packaging. They're saying this is concentrated, it's cushioning, feeling formula that gives you softer, fuller feeling lips. Exfoliating papaya enzymes gently clear the way for a visibly reparative ingredient to help melt into the skin. It has natural butters and nourishes the skin on contact to help soften the lips over time. And they simply say to apply a thin layer on your dry lips during the day or in the evening before bed. Do not rinse off. May also be worn underneath your lip color as a hydrating base. Due to the formula's gentle exfoliating properties, they recommend applying a lip wrap hydrating mask up to a few times a day. And this is what it looks like here. It's simply a balmy type of material here. And when they said exfoliating, I wasn't sure what I'd feel, but it just feels like a creamy lip balm. And that's why I think they said you can wear it under your lipstick during the day as well. So exciting to get that. So this is a new brand to me, so always happy to get a new brand. The next item that's in here is a brand that I always enjoy getting, and especially in these type of kits, because I ended up purchasing a couple of these things in the full size. It is from the brand called Fresh. And this one is in rose petal. It's a deep hydrating also lip balm. This whole kit, I should have told you, is called Give Me Some Balm. So it's all these type of products. So this one is currently on sale. It's normally $24 for the full size, but it's currently on sale on Sephora for $18. This is a 0.3 ounce. The full size obviously is larger. This one here is a deeply hydrating rose lip balm that conditions and relieves of dry lips for a smooth Petal-Soft pout. They're saying every skin type can use this. They're saying the highlight ingredients in this is a rose flower oil that will help hydrate and soothe dry skin. It's a blend of emollient oils. It helps to visibly soften and moisten your lips, and it has vitamin E that will help to protect. It simply says to drench your lips in hydration with a silky lip cream. This lip balm will nourish rose flower oil, delivers up to 24 hours of hydration to relieve dry lips, while the conditioning formula improves texture for a softer look. And it also says that you can apply it throughout the day when hydration is needed. And this one is simply the same thing. It's a type of balm. This leaves a little bit of a pink tinge to it, and the scent on it is definitely like a rose scent. The other one I did not smell. Let me do that for you right now. And this has no scent at all. All right. The next item is the other one that's a full-size item in here, and it is from the Sephora collection. And one of my favorite products that is a lip product from them is in this type of packaging. It's like a cardboard packaging, and my favorite from them is called Tan Lines, and that is a $7 lipstick from this Sephora collection. But this is the Clean Lip Balm and Scrub. This is also a full size, and it's $7, just like the lipsticks. They're saying this is a collection of nourishing lip balms with soft lip scrubs with natural ingredients. And they're saying the Sephora Lip Collection lip formulas are enriched with plant extracts and are free from ingredients of animal origin. They gently exfoliate the lips with coconut powder and sugar and offer lasting nourishment with their creamy textures. Again, this is a lip balm. Apply on your lips, then lightly massage it with your fingers. You can wipe off any grains, leaving your nourishing base on the lips. Use twice a week for gentle exfoliation. So this obviously is not just solely a lip balm. It also has the exfoliation inside. Really, really excited to get this in my collection. The next item is one that I've received before, but the color I think is different. And even though this is in the smallest container ever, this will last you a long time. This is the Tarte Sea Jelly Glaze Anytime Lip Mask, and this one is in strawberry jelly. The full size of this is $16. This is an all-day, everyday hydrating and soothing vegan lip mask that has a sheer, flattering tint for softer, healthier looking lips. The highlighted ingredients in here are avocado oil, hyaluronic acid, and marine plant extracts. It's gluten-free, all the freeze, and it says this is a jelly textured, melts onto your lips with a sheer nurturing color. to hydrate up to 12 hours. It's like a nighttime lip mask, but it works all day for a healthier looking and fuller looking lips, all thanks to vegan squalene, hyaluronic acid, and a blend of avocado, jojoba, and argan oils. Alone or over lipstick, day or night. But the main thing about this one is it comes out, this one has a safety seal. I should have brought my other one. It comes out almost like a jelly type formula, and it has a really nice pink tint to it. So it's something for me that if you're going for a walk wherever and you just want to have your lips hydrated but a little hint of color, this is what this does. And then the last item is the one that I could not wait to get my hands on, and this one is from McGrath Labs. It is the Lip Fetish Divine Lip Shine in Nude Venus. Like I mentioned, this is a $36 value, and this is the full size of it. And they're saying this is a balm with a rich color and a lacquer-like shine that locks in hydration with lychee extract and coconut butter. They're saying this lip shine is rich in soothing emollients, vitamins, and antioxidants that enhance visibly elasticity and fight free radicals. The formula quenches your desire for a lightweight hydration, addictive nourishment, and sensual softness. It is a divine daily balm which will smooth, soften, and make your lips feel captivating and kiss-worthy with an instant. It's a single swipe hydration with seductive shine. And also they're saying it is a priming provocateur. It says it can revive dry, chapped lips and prime to perfection with the maximalist mix of emollients, antioxidants, and vitamins. Glide it on, wait a few minutes, then layer your favorite lip color on top for a transformative new look. So let's do a swipe of this guy, and then you'll see. So it has those cute little lips. And if you saw some of my Wet n Wild, they kind of took the liberty to do that type of style. I didn't know it was from Pat McGrath, now I do. And this is what the packaging looks like. It's beautiful. And this is the product that's inside. Let's do a quick swipe of this one so we can see what the color looks like. And it's one of those beautiful, beautiful, perfect nudes. So like I said, this on its own is $36. It's the whole package that I just went through with you, including this, is $20. Use the code free ship if this is of interest to you. This way you'll be get it at home, you know, without paying any shipping cost, because on Sephora they have a minimum of $50 for free shipping. So using that free ship is a great idea. All right. Also, what I forgot to do this time, when I ordered this, there should have been two little packets of samples in the checkout section. Always make sure to look at the top of that. Like me, sometimes you forget. I did this time, but last time I received a couple of packets, and they're usually just like little foil packets of foundations, and sometimes there'll be a perfume in there. So always double check if something's of interest to you. So it's, you know, what they call free samples. All right. Once again, as always, I appreciate so much that you guys take any time out of your day that choose to spend it with me. Make sure in the comments, leave down below if you've had the opportunity to try any of these products, or if you got this cute little kit as well. All right. Everybody continue to stay safe, stay well, and I'll see you all soon in my next video. Bye for now.